we seen what myopia is and how it can be corrected. But what's hyperopia? In simple words, it's exactly the opposite of myopia. Hyperopia is also called farsightedness. In this case, distant objects are clear while nearby objects appear blurry. This is because the light is focused behind the retina rather than on the retina. As I say, myopia and hyperopia are exactly opposite of each other. So the cause of hyperopia is also opposite to the cause of myopia. This defect results the eyeball being smaller than the usual. So the distance between the lens and retina is smaller than that it should be in the normal eye. And hence the image of near object is formed behind the retina. And just as myopia can be corrected using concave lens, this defect can be corrected using convex lens. The convex lens helps in focusing the light at correct place. Now that we know the basics of myopia and hyperopia, let's move on to the other eye defects. We know that the cornea curved outer layer which refracts most of the light entering the eye. But sometimes the curvature of the cornea is distorted. It may become irregular like this. Slightly elongated in the middle, this defect of the eye is termed as astigmatism. What happens when the person is suffering from this condition? In this condition of the eye, all the light is not focused at one point. In fact, it focused at more than one point. And the second point could or could not be on the retina. It may lie in front of or behind the retina. Astigmatism also results in the object appearing blurry. But is this defect for far away or nearby objects? It could be either. One of the reasons for change in shape of cornea may be continuous rubbing of eyes. This is the reason why we advise to not rub our eyes often. And another eye defect want to discuss is presbyopia. This is the condition of the eye commonly found in the senior citizens. In this eye condition, distant objects are clearly visible but nearer objects appear blurry. Yes, you probably guessed that presbyopia is similar to hyperopia. Here is well, the light gets focused behind the retina. However, unlike hyperopia, it's not just occurred due to the short end of the eyeball. What is the reason for this eye defect then? As the person ages, the lens reduces the power of accommodation. It means that the lens loses its flexibility to move. In this condition, the lens cannot adjust the focal length in such a way that the nearby objects are visible. Now, if you remember, in one of our earlier video, I said that for normal eye, the minimum distance between the object and eye should be at least 25 centimeters. This would cause no strain to our eyes. But in presbyopia, this distance is more than 25 centimeters. Nearby objects do look blurry with this eye defect. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.